Guaranteed to work the first time.
$1.
Yep.
$1.84.
Dollar of that premium. When your go-kart dies and you have to jump start it.
Cut it out! Turn around! Turn around, the battery! The battery's on the ground! Oh, he's sending it. He's sending it, man. The battery's on the ground! You're dragging the battery. What? The battery. Oh, dude, that thing's sick.
Alright, so I just took the shopping go-kart out in the snow. I know you guys have wanted to see some more on this lately, but I'm gonna cut it short there because I'm freezing. But it actually does really good in the snow. I'm surprised. It's really fun, and I am gonna be working on this thing some more in the future. I still have to get the gas tank like actually mounted because we had to like zip tie it and put this ratchet strap on it, so it's just kind of held on sideways, and I still need to get the battery mounted all proper. But there will be more coming on this. I did want to take it out since it did just snow last night, but it is freezing. I am done driving this for today. Maybe I'll do a better snow edit another day, but for now we're just gonna go bust out the Wagon because it hasn't seen some drive time either in a while, so we're gonna put some miles on her today, maybe go drifting around and just kind of enjoy the snow for today. But all I know is I want to be warm because I'm freezing right now. That was horrible. Alright guys, we made it back in the Wagon. We didn't take it out for too long, but it was enough for it to fully warm up, and the heaters work really good in that thing. So I am feeling much better now after driving the shopping cart around. I was just completely frozen. We took it all the way down to a gas station that's nearly a mile away, and I only had this sweater on, this light sweater with some light gloves and my freaking skate shoes on, and it was not a fun ride. I forgot how much fun the Wagon is to drive. I do really miss taking this thing out. I only seem to take it out when it snows, because with the all-wheel drive and the studded snow tires, this thing is just a blast to drive in the snow. It just drifts so well. But I really don't drive it much, mainly because I don't trust the D series in there. For a lot of the OG subscribers, you'll know that I've rebuilt the motor in this thing, I think 3 times now, and I just don't really trust it, to be honest. But this build seems to be holding up. I mean, when it did break those previous times, it was because of my own fault. You know, and I dropped the crank off that engine stand and it bent the crank, and then after I rebuilt it again, I didn't clean the motor out well enough from the first rebuild, and metal shavings got in it, just all kinds of things that could have been avoided. It was my fault, and I think this motor is actually pretty solid, knock on wood. As you guys remember, we did take it out and we were drifting it about a month ago, and I was taking it out every day, just beating on it, hitting rev limiter, driving it pretty hard, actually very hard, and the motor seems to be doing great. I just drove it around today and yesterday, and she seems like she's running good. So hopefully this motor is doing all right, because I would love to start to daily my Wagon again. The main reason I got this thing was to daily it. It does great in the snow, and just with a simple little eBay kit on it, it's quick enough to have fun, you know, just throughout my day. But I didn't plan on having it be crazy fast or anything like that. So hopefully this motor will hold up. It seems like it's doing good so far. And yeah, let me know if you guys want to see some more of the Wagon. I honestly don't mess with it much, but I do really miss the car. It has a nice sound system in it, has my sub in the back, and I just really miss driving this thing around. So hopefully she'll be a little more reliable and I don't have to worry about it, but we'll see. And in other news, we still haven't done anything more on the S14. With the weather being so bad, I just haven't had the motivation to mess with it. I do want to pull it out and get the engine bay all power washed out, and then we're gonna try to repaint it and make it look a little nicer than it does now, because it's pretty disgusting. We still need the bearings for the SR, then we can start throwing the motor back together, and an update on the hatch as well. I wanna bring that to PFI and get the cage put in. I was actually gonna do that today, but once again, with the weather being so bad, I didn't wanna take the hatch out. I'll just wait till a nicer day until we do that. But that will be coming soon as well. And then obviously we have the shopping cart, which a lot of you guys want to see more of. I know you guys want to see more of this thing. I've just been busy with the other projects right now, but I do still plan on turboing the shopping cart, guys. Don't worry, I know you're waiting forever. I got the little turbo right here. I just need to order the EFI kit, get a oil pump and oil cooler, because I'm gonna have it's gonna be on its own little cooling system for the turbo as far as like the oil goes. And I don't know, just get things ready for it. But like I said, it still needs to be a little more solid. We've just been busy with a lot of the other projects going on, which is good. I like that we're staying busy and that we always have something to do. But the shopping cart has just been kind of pushed to the back of the list, not really my #1 priority. But don't worry guys, it is gonna happen. I am gonna turbo this thing, and hopefully it will be pretty sweet. And I'm just not sure when I'm gonna do it yet. You know, I wanna have it done maybe sometime by this summer, you know, in the next few months. I'd like to get started on it. But I don't know, maybe if this video gets a lot more likes than a normal video does, let me know in the comments if you want to see it, and maybe that'll motivate me to do more work on it. So I know it's been a long time since I've done anything with this go-kart, but I know it has a pretty big following. So I am going to be working on it soon for sure. And yeah, that's really all I have to say for tonight, guys. It's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching.